Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what they're going to replace the hot dog costume with on Dress to Impress. So yes, they still have it here, but in a few moments they'll be removing it because some people are using it for inappropriate costumes, which is very annoying because I make like Duolingo and like Plankton and other like cockroaches with this outfit, and they're going to remove it because of annoying people who can't just like dress up for fun and like they have to ruin everything. But we will be replacing this hot dog costume. Well, they will be replacing this hot dog costume with this cupcake. I'll put in like a picture here. I think it's very cute. I hope we get to recolor it, and I hope people don't use it for inappropriate things anymore. They just ruin everything for us players who want to use these costumes to be creative and stuff like that. So yeah, that is it. Unfortunately, they will be removing this and hopefully reworking it, I think, and it could come back on November, so just wait for that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!